This is a video demonstration of the procedure for filing tax return under various acts such as VAT, CST, entry tax, professional tax and entertainment tax in the state of Odisha. For filing the tax return, the user can visit the e-Services portal tab on the website www.odisatax.gov.in. To file a return, the user should be a registered dealer with a valid TIN or SRIN. The dealer should have a valid user ID and password to log into the system. For filing the return, the user has to download the concerned return forms. This can be done either by downloading the form directly from the Download tab in the login page, or the same can be downloaded after logging into the system. Once the relevant Excel form is downloaded, a user can file the returns. If the user wants to file the VAT returns, the form VAT 201 should be downloaded. If the user wishes to file the CST returns, then Form 1 along with Annexure G, H and I respectively need to be downloaded. In case the user has some transaction such as purchase or sales, the user shall be required to file both the purchase and sales invoices. Similarly, for filing entry tax, the user has to download Form E3 and the sales invoice. Once the relevant forms are downloaded, the user has to fill up the complete form as per the applicable transactions, including the annexures and payment details in Part D of the form. Without the payment details or without transaction ID, the system does not allow the return form to be uploaded. A user can log into the system using the TIN or SRIN and the password. The home page menu offers various features to download the form: filing e-returns, e-annual return filing, checking the status of returns, checking the payment history, amendments, cancellation, e-form, form statement, e-certificates, e-refunds, e-CA, CMA and e-TDS. After the relevant forms are filled, the user has to click on the e-return filing tab. On this page, the user has to select the relevant act under which the return is being filed, period for which the return is being filed, indicate whether it is a zero payment return, and also indicate whether it is a nil transaction return in case the user does not have sale or purchase transactions. Now, the filled Excel return files must be uploaded. Remember, first the sales invoice, followed by purchase invoices, and lastly, the main return has to be uploaded using the Browse button. In the absence of sales and purchase invoices, the main return file should be directly uploaded. Post-uploading of return, the user is directed to the next page where summary of sale and purchase transactions and the payment made is displayed along with acknowledgement receipt number. The user is advised to note this number. In this way, a user can easily complete the return filing under VAT, CST, entry tax as the case may be. Professional tax return filing. For filing return under professional tax, the user has to click e-annual return filing tab post-login and select professional tax from the drop-down menu of the Act tab. The user can choose the period for which the return is being filed. On this page, the user has to fill all the fields, including the details of payment made. Once the details are filled, the return filing for professional tax is completed on submission of the application. Entertainment tax return filing. For filing returns under entertainment tax, a user has to click on the e-Services tab on www.odisatax.gov.in. The registered user can log in on the e-Service page using the TIN or SRIN and the password. After login, the user should click on the E-Ent Tax tab and select the Act tab as Entertainment Tax from the drop-down menu. The receipt type and the form should be selected. Clicking on the Next tab takes the user to Return Form 18. Here the user is required to fill all the fields, including payment details, and submit the application. With this, the return filing for entertainment tax is completed.